Hello students. Welcome to our channel. In the present video, we will learn about noun, its definition and its different types with examples. What is noun? Noun is often called a naming word. A noun is used to refers to a person, place, thing, idea or quality. Types of noun. 1. Common noun. 2. Proper noun. 3. Count noun. 4. Uncount noun. 5. Abstract noun. 6. Collective noun. 7. Verbal noun. 8. Concrete noun. Now, we will learn one by one. 1. A common noun refers to something of which there are many examples, and so is very common. Examples: car, city, country, day, month, planet, religion, and street, etc. 2. A proper noun. A proper noun refers to something in particular of which there is only one example. Unlike common nouns, proper nouns begin with capital letters. Examples: Ali, name of a man. France, name of a country. Lahore, name of a city. Islam, name of a religion, etc. A countable noun. 3. A countable noun or count noun is a noun that can be counted. It is preceded by the word a and can exist in plural form. Examples: city plural cities, mouse plural mice, book plural books, lady plural ladies. 4. An uncountable or uncount noun. An uncountable or uncount noun is a noun that can't be counted. They do not exist in plural form. Abstract nouns tend to be uncount. Examples: poverty, information, sugar, water, luggage. 5. Abstract noun. An abstract noun refers to something that you can't touch. It refers to a quality, concept or idea. Examples: anger, beauty, courage, happiness, fear, wisdom, truth, loyalty, greed, etc. 6. Collective noun. A collective noun is a singular noun, refers to a group of things, when the whole group is being considered. Examples: a pack of wolves, a herd of cattle, a fleet of ships, a school of whales, a pride of lions, a constellation of stars, a shoal of herring, a flock of geese. 7. Verbal noun. When present participle functions as a noun, it is known as verbal noun or gerund. The verbal noun is so called because it is formed from verb and functions as a noun. Example: 1. Smoking is injurious to health. 2. Swimming is his favorite sports. In the above sentences, smoking and swimming are verbal nouns acting as subject of sentence. A verbal noun can also act as an object. Examples of verbal noun. 1. She hates dancing. 2. He has given up smoking. 3. I don't like swimming. Here, dancing, smoking and swimming are verbal nouns that act as object of the sentences. 8. Concrete noun. A concrete noun refers to something that you can touch. Examples: book, door, flower, tree, lake, shoe, window, etc.
Thanks for watching.